As you can see, the end of the sensor is just ripped off. That's the exhaust side camshaft sensor. When I cranked the motor up, after putting new cams and rocker arms in it, lifters, that back rocker arm right there jerked out and hit the sensor and just destroyed the sensor. Broke the edge off the rocker arm and knitted up the cam just a little bit. So I had to take some emery cloth and fix that before I could stick it back in. But I ended up taking the caps off the exhaust camshaft, and that gave me just enough room to get the lifter and rocker arm back in. After getting that back together, as far as the rocker arm, I had to take the bottom transmission mount bolts out and jack the back of the transfer case transmission up to get the sensor in. I still had to cut a little bit of the insulation out just to get it in there. It's very tight, and I don't know why they put the sensors at the back like this, but they should have left enough room in between the cab and engine to do it, but they didn't. But that don't surprise me. The engineers don't give a crap about the mechanics. But I hated to cut the insulation, but I had to do what I had to do to get it back in there.